All right, one more thing. This is that ass. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below how your day is going. Mine's doing great. If you read from the title, I'm going to be unboxing the November 2019 BIJOU box. BIJOU box. BIJOU? I still can't pronounce it. If you want to see what I got in the November 2019 BIJOU box, then just keep on watching. Alrighty, I really like this subscription. Now, this is $35 if you get like a one-time box, but I do have a code. I'll leave it right here or right here somewhere, that if you use my code, you get 20% off just on the single boxes. If you do month to month, I think it's like $30. My code doesn't work, but it does work if you do 3, 6, or 12, I believe. But I always forget to tell you when I have codes. So always check my description boxes because I leave the information there. All right, so let's open this puppy up. Ever since I've been getting this box, she does send this to me free for review, but you guys know, it doesn't matter. I get BoxyCharm free for review, and I will read them to filth, and I have. So it doesn't matter if I get something for free or not, but I really do like this subscription. Now, not everybody gets the same thing. It might be a few variants, but for the most part, you do tend to get the same thing. Maybe different colors, different variants, something like that. All right, so when you open it up, it looks like this. I might have that light. I cannot get my lighting down for the life of me to save my life. Let me turn it down. My husband is ordering me like a different camera to use. So because I think it's the actual camera that's doing it. Because see, like, look, it's just, I don't know. Anyway, right here it has November 2019, and then it tells you what everything is, and then it gives the prices. All right, so let me open this up. It has a little sticker on it. So it's always packaged very nice. So let me just take this out. I do think that sometimes it's packaged too much. It's like, oh my God, we don't need all them squigglies. But I'd rather it be like that than something in here that breaks. All right. So the first thing I'm seeing, holy crap, is ColourPop Blue Moon. Now I have this already, so I'm going to put this in a future giveaway. And you know what's funny? On my eyes today, I am wearing a ColourPop. I'm wearing the It's My Pleasure and the Lilac a lot. I'm wearing them both together. But since I already have this, I'm going to go get mine and open it up and show you the colors so that way I don't open this up. So I'll be right back. All right, so this is mine right here, and I have never used it because I don't go for blues. The only time, so it has a mirror. These are the shades right here. The only time I ever wear blue is if I wear it like underneath my eyes. I don't tend to like wear it on top. Like I'll wear purple, green, you know, different colors, oranges, reds. But for some reason, maybe because I have blue eyes, I don't know. But this is really, really pretty. Let me do a few swatches of mine. And so I can show, oh my God, it feels so good. I love ColourPop eyeshadows. I mean, for 12 bucks, this palette is 12 bucks. I mean, it is really good for the $12. Is this my favorite formula of all time? No. But for 12 bucks, I mean, you can't beat it, you know? All right, so that's pretty cool. I know some people have asked me, well, how do they get this type? Because, of course, ColourPop doesn't work with any subscription boxes except for BoxyCharm in the past. There were like lipsticks and stuff. But what she does is she purchases everything with her own money, and she'll wait till there's sales or anything. When I first unboxed this, I asked her, because you guys know you guys are my first priority, and she literally showed me receipts to where she buys things. She waits till something's on sale when they have their 20% off or something like that. So I can say these are definitely real. She does purchase them. So that's why I really like this box. All right, yeah, so that was $12. The next thing is this thing. What is this? I have no idea. This is from Millennial Beauty. Oh, this is $18.99. Light as air. Okay, so this looks like a powder. Let me read what it says. Glass powder. Okay, so it is a powder. So let's open it up. Looks like that. Looks very, very light. Oh, but it feels, what in the world? Okay, so this is a, what do you call that? Why can't I think of the word? This is a, I can't think of the word. In editing, I'll put it right here. I probably already did. But you know, like when it just disappears. I can't think of the word. Why can't I think of the word? Anyway, that's what that is. So that's good. After you put your foundation or a concealer, you can go ahead and go in there. Translucent. Ding, ding, ding. Translucent. This is translucent powder. All right, so that's good. So that's $18.99, and it feels very nice. So I like that. I'm definitely excited. I've never heard of this brand before. I don't know how to pronounce it. Ooey, ooey, ooh, yee. I don't know. All right, so we have that. The next thing we have, oh, these are pretty. These are, what you be? Medusa's makeup. These are $29. Now, sometimes Medusa's makeup sends me their boxes. I don't get it every month. And for their birthday month, I remember getting this. It's actually this one here because I loved it. I think it's pretty. If I can get it out. Let's see. I mean, look at that. That is just so pretty. And I definitely use this. This is really nice. I like it. What I use this for is to take the powder away from my under eyes. I don't bake. I just kind of like set it and brush it right off. And I really like this a lot. But we actually got the full set. And I do like Medusa's makeup brushes. I really, really do. Let's see what this blending brush feels like. Yeah, I like that. So that's pretty cool. Let me show you what all four of them look like. $29, I don't know if I would pay $29 just for 4 brushes. They're very pretty and they are nice, but I don't know if I would pay $29 for 4 brushes, you know? So that's what they look like right there. All right, but I'm always excited to get brushes. You guys know I love brushes, so I'm not knocking it. I love it. I think they're beautiful, and I love how she always, I mean, I just love this subscription. I really, really do. All right, so then we have this thingy. What you be? This is from Haas Laboratories. Oh, this is Lady Gaga. This is her line that just came out that she has through Amazon. I wonder why a big celebrity like that actually has their line through Amazon. It's weird to me, but okay. This would be $20, and this is, I'm not going to swatch this. I do not use liquid eyeliners like this. That's a shame that, I wish I tried their lipstick or their new eyeshadow. So I will definitely put this in a giveaway, because I have like hooded eyes, and so when I do put a wing or anything, then it takes from my eyeshadow. So me personally, I don't like wearing these, but that's a shame because I really wanted to try her brand, but that's all right. It's for you guys to try. All right, one more thing. This is that ass. Yes, that ass. What the heck? What are you? This is Millennial Beauty. This is $45, and I see this leaf right here, so it's definitely, I don't know if it's CBD or THC. I'm not sure. And the lettering is too small, so let's see what it looks like. All right, so it does have a safety seal. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Inside, it's green. I don't know. I guess it's maybe for the CBC. I'm not sure. It smells minty. I am so excited to use this. I've never heard of this. Let me look this up real quick, since it doesn't give you any information what this is, and it's so small I can't read it. Let me look this up, and then I'll come right back and tell you exactly what this is and what you use it for. We know it's for that ass, but let's see what it's for. I'll be right back. All right, so I have this up. I looked it up, It is a CBD Clay Booty Mask. That ask. It has on here pre-order, ships in 2 weeks. So this must be something new that they, it's like kind of win-win. You know, they get it in a subscription box so that they can know, you know, people know about their company. And then, you know, the owners get this for a lower rate, you know, make money, stuff like that. So that's fine. It says pre-order, ships in 2 weeks. And it says this is a CBD clay mask made with bentonite clay for the most natural lighting effect. It tightens, plumps, and brightens your bum. Paired with a unique mix of ingredients and botanical like peach extract for the perfect Brazilian beauty finish. For early dry combination and sensitive skin. Directions. Massage an even layer on the bum. Let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. Invite someone who would want to apply it for you for easier application. You know my husband is definitely down for that. For best results, use our CBD booty scrub. Butt naked. Bud naked, B-U-D. Oh, that's funny. I have a 12-year-old's brain. After to replenish with vitamins and natural oils. So it's made in LA. It's cruelty-free, vegan-friendly. 100% milligrams of hemp CBD, lab tested. So you can even use this on your face. You don't have to use it just for your butt. You know what I mean? You can definitely use it in other areas. So I think that's kind of cool. I was looking and they have other things up here. So they have a peel-off mask. They also, oh, right here, I remember this mask, this sheet mask I got in a try box. They had a CBD box. It was limited edition and it was like a sheet mask. It was very small and you put it in water and then it like opens up and gets big. So, okay. They have a sugar scrub. That's called Bud Naked. And that's what they have so far. I think that's great. And like I said, you don't have to use this on your butt, you know. It is $45, but it's because it has CBD in it. And listen, I like CBD. I'm not knocking it. And I can't wait to try this. But because it's clay, you know, if you have oily skin for your face, I'm sure it would work good for that. But that's everything. All right, guys. Let's recap what we got in this box. So we have a mask for that ass. We have a ColourPop The Blue Moon palette, so that's good. We have translucent powder. We got 4 brushes. These are worth $29 from Medusa's Makeup. And the new Lady Gaga House Lashes. No, not House Lashes. House Laboratories. I just wish this was different than a liquid eyeliner, and this box would be perfect. But because I don't use it, like I said, but these 2 items will go into a future giveaway. But that's everything, guys. What do you think of this subscription box? Do you like it? Do you not? Do you think it's too expensive? Do you not? Let me know all the tea. Don't forget to rate this video, so either thumbs it up or thumbs it down. I prefer that you thumbs it up. And don't forget, I do have a giveaway going on. I'm giving away the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star, both palettes, the Controversy and the, what can I think? Controversy and, I don't know. I'll leave it right here. What is wrong with my brain? It's like 10 o'clock at night and I need to wash my makeup off and go to bed. But that's everything, guys. Don't forget to comment. Let me know how your day is. Let me know what you think of this subscription box. Don't forget to subscribe and turn that post notification bell on. Hit it twice so that it'll be on all, so you can get notified for all of my future videos and my giveaways. And that's everything, guys. I love you guys so much. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.